Good morning. We are going to continue learning about the human body systems with the digestive system today. I know you guys know about the digestive system a little bit already, but we're going to find out more about the organs in your digestive system, or that are part of the digestive system, and then the excretory system also this week, which goes along with it. So digestive system for today, let's begin reading from our book. And we are almost finished. You know what's left after we do digestive and excretory? You have the nervous system still ahead, your brain and all of your nerves. And I think that's actually the last one. Now, this is not very pleasant to talk about, and excretory maybe even less pleasant. So hope that you're not eating. Well, actually, you could be eating while you do this one, but I would not suggest eating on during the video that you'll watch on Wednesday. Okay, now digestive system. The digestive system breaks down the food you eat into nutrients. Now, some examples of nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Your body needs all of these nutrients in some way. Now, nutrients give your body energy to live. Nutrients also help your body grow and repair itself. So what do nutrients do? Give you energy, help you grow, and repair. Like if there is any damage to your body, it helps to that reparation process. Now, another job of the digestive system is to carry solid wastes out of the body. So digest the food, break it up into its nutrients, and that's sent out to the rest of the body. But then also carrying those solid wastes out of the body, which we're going to hear more about in the excretory system. Now, your body breaks down or digests food in two ways. One, by crushing or grinding food, crushing or grinding. Two, by mixing food with chemicals called acids and enzymes. So crushing and grinding it makes it small enough and breaks it up into those nutrients, but also mixing it with chemicals like acids would also start to help your body digest it. Now, digestion starts with your mouth. As you chew, food is crushed into small pieces by your teeth, right? You manually crush that food up with your teeth. Now, your body's salivary glands make a liquid called saliva. You guys know saliva? Probably think of it like spit, but you need that saliva to mix with your chewed food and make it soft. Now, enzymes in the saliva help break down the food even more. So that saliva helps you to break down that food and become something soft, right? Like a potato chip, not that that's got good nutrients in it. A carrot is something very hard, yet your body is able to break it up into something very soft and small and digest that carrot so that you can take advantage of all the nutrients in it. Now, when you swallow, food moves down a tube called the esophagus. You see the esophagus? Esophagus is the way we'd think to spell it. Right there. Now, the esophagus, can you say esophagus? Esophagus connects your mouth and stomach. Muscles in the esophagus push the food down to the stomach. So there's your teeth and mouth, part of the digestive system. Teeth are actually part of it. To break it down, your mouth and your tongue are part of it, and then you've got your salivary glands there. The esophagus pushes it down. Now the stomach is right here. It's an organ that is shaped like a pouch. It stretches to hold the food that you eat. Acids and enzymes in the stomach help break down the food. Muscles in the stomach help mix everything together. The partly digested food turns into a soup-like liquid. So it eventually turns into that really liquidy form there in the stomach. Now, it's already soft as it's coming down though. Now, little by little, the liquid moves out of the stomach. It goes into a long winding tube called the small intestine. Right in here, small intestine, the pink one. There, enzymes made by the pancreas further break down carbohydrates. So enzymes made by the pancreas right here break down those carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Now, a liquid called bile, which is made by the liver, also breaks down fats. Now, tiny finger-like bumps called villi line the small intestine. Villi are filled with capillaries. You guys remember about capillaries when you're doing the circulatory system? Now, nutrients from digested food pass through those capillary walls. That's right. That's where the circulatory system comes in place. You've got the capillaries all along here, and then that's going to make it go throughout your body so that your body has energy. Now, then the blood carries them throughout the body. The blood carries those nutrients all over the body. So that's how it's connected to the other parts. Now, some parts of food cannot be digested. We would call them undigestible. Now, they move into the large intestine. So the digestible foods stay here. Things that are undigestible move over to that large intestine. This wider tube doesn't necessarily look bigger, but it's wider. It takes water and salts out of the undigested food. And then solid wastes are left. These move through the large intestine and then out of the body. That's right, with poop. Everybody does it. Okay, here is a look at the villi and capillaries inside or lining the small intestine and allowing all those nutrients to go throughout the body. Now, nutrients from digested food pass through these capillary walls. Here's the capillaries into the blood. Okay, so that's the digestive system. Here's another picture of it, which also includes the gallbladder as part of it. The rest is, I think, the same. Stomach, liver right there. We have, yeah, small intestine, large intestine, gallbladder. So, yeah, I don't think that it's anything really different. The only thing new that I could point out for this part is that your liver makes the digestive juice called bile, and the bile is stored in your gallbladder. And then bile passes through a tube into the small intestine. So it's created here, then it's stored, and then it passes through. Okay, and did we go through pancreas? Yeah, that was in the last one. Okay, that's all for that's all for your science today. You will have some notes to take on this as well, and then we'll continue talking about it a little bit tomorrow. And Wednesday, we'll get into the excretory system, which goes hand in hand with the digestive system. They work together. That is all. I will talk to you all later. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.